Good morning. Today is February 18, 2025. Happy Tuesday. I am done trading for today. My dog's about to start. He thinks it's time to play right now. Every time I record, he just gets so excited because he hears me talking to myself and he's like, okay, there's no one else in this room. She must be talking to me. Anyways, um, yeah, I'm done trading for today. And I took a buy on NAS on the micro. I only trade micros, never minis, because my account size is too small to trade micros. To trade minis right now. So I'm slowly just compounding my account. So later in the future, I will transition into minis. But so far, it's just micros. So I took a buy on NAS, like I said. I took a 13 EMA break today. There was no demands or supplies really forming, so I was like, okay, I'm going to take out this other strategy. So I entered right here and I put my stop loss right here. Stop loss was only 16 ticks, about almost 17 ticks, but it was pretty good for NAS. And I put in 2 contracts on this trade because I realized that I was only gonna put one, but it was only just gonna be like a small loss or a small win if it did go both ways. So I was willing to up my risk a little bit. So I was risking about like $60 in this trade and like around 50 to 60. I forgot. I think it was like 55. I always forget. But when I'm in the trade, I do know that like okay, I'm okay to risk that. So, and I took a while to record this trade after I traded because I just had some things going on. And I like to record my trades right after I'm done trading so I can remember everything. But today was just a day where I had to like wait a couple like minutes later to record. So that sucks a little bit, but it's okay. I'm here. That's all that matters. So I did like this trade because on the 15-minute, we were at a support area right here. This area was right here, was just giving me the bias that NAS might want to keep shooting up. And we were above EMAs, which was beautiful. I loved seeing the candles just be above my 13 EMA, my 50 SMA. And that was the 15-minute. Looked good to me. On the 1 hour, we did have a demand on the 1 hour right here. And we were looking good. This red whole bearish candle was not there, so don't mind that. But it was just these candles right here that made me even more confident. Okay, we have a 1 hour demand with 15 minutes support. On the 4 hour, we looked good too. We were very bullish. We were around here, and I trusted the higher time frame a lot, and that's why I liked the setup, even though on the 5-minute the price action wasn't the best. But the higher time frame just made me feel confident in to take this trade. This was a daily. The daily was looking good too. So on the 5-minute, as you can see, price action was not nice. Like you can see, it was just ranging, and I was a bit iffy about that. But on the 1 minute, while I was in this trade, we did come off a demand. So I was still in this trade when this was forming. So I saw this and I was like, this looks beautiful. Either it could tap here or tap in this one, but it held so beautiful in this 1-minute demand. So that gave me just confidence to stay in this trade. I wasn't looking to cut my loss or get out. But the thing that was so annoying was I was in this trade for 40 minutes just for my 101 to hit. And that's a long time. Like I say this all the time. I don't like being in trades over 30 minutes. Like I am a scalper. I like to be in trades less than 30 minutes. After that, it's like, okay, I'm not a swing trader over here. So yeah, that was that. And I held for a 101 for one contract. And then something weird did happen. Like I'm still trying to learn how to cut contracts and leave runners because I'm not really that experimented in doing that. So I've seen videos where people will, so right here on the so right here it says there's two contracts when I'm in this trade. And once it hits my 101, I click here and so it'll be like this, and I click there and I will put one contract and then sell the contract once I'm wanting to take some like off the table, right? Like that's how I thought it was supposed to be. But for some reason, when I was in this trade, I did that. So I was like, okay, I'm good. Like I got off some contracts in this trade and I was still like in profit. The thing I did with this trade too, I did move my stop loss to profit. Like I moved my stop loss literally all the way to like right here, I think it was. Like, hold on, let me remember. It was like around there somewhere. Like I moved my stop loss around there and it did take me out eventually, of course, but I was okay with that. But when it took me out, I was still in this trade like only negative like $1, negative $2, and I was like, why is it negative $1, $2? So I just got out because I was just like, I'm not gonna even wait for this to go up for another $1 or $2. Like I was okay to lose like the $1 or $2. I was there, and I thought that was really weird because I think I did something wrong maybe, but I don't know. I didn't record this live trade, so that's kind of like sucks that I can't see why I did that. But I noticed that it's happened to me before in the past where it would do that. So I have to figure out, like, I have to watch more videos of people doing these kind of things, cutting out contracts and leaving runners the right way. So I'm not risking, like, I'm doing it the right way, pretty much. So that was my trade for today. I am 1-0 this week so far. I didn't trade yesterday because it was a bank holiday and I never trade on bank holidays. I just choose not to. And yeah, that's just how it's always been. I've never traded on a bank holiday. I'm not trading tomorrow because it's I scared Milo. Because it's Wednesday and I don't trade Wednesdays, but I'll be trading Thursday and Friday, which I will be on here. Hopefully we catch nice trades this whole week. If not, it's okay too, as long as you follow your plan and you do what you think is best for your own trade ideas. But so far this month has been really, really good to me. I have been just crazy in the green, which I'm really happy about and grateful about, because in January I was in the red and I was just kind of taking trades that weren't the best, but I was losing on them too. So I was just it was just not a good month, I feel like, for a lot of traders in January, but also it was a lot on me too. And yeah, so this month has just been me just trying to follow myself, follow my rules, follow my risk, and be okay with my risk, the most importantly. And yeah, it's been very good to me this whole month so far. Like I said, I've only traded once this week, and that's about it. I hope you guys made some money today, and if not, that's okay, because we have this whole week ahead of us. We're still only in Tuesday, and we have next week and a whole other month coming ahead, a whole other year that we have to look forward to. So yeah, good luck, guys. I will see you guys Thursday, and yeah.